This era is all about approaching the heights in no time. People all across the globe are trying their level best to think out of the box and earn money in the fastest way possible. There could be many reasons for doing that, but commonly, it's just because they want to earn daily to manage their routine expenses. Looking at methods, most people have access to websites and applications as they prefer digital income. No investment is required to start the proceedings, providing services to people you already experience in your daily routine. If you possess expertise in a particular field or are privileged enough to share your skills with someone as a mentor or consultant, you should approach websites that can pay daily. Once your daily income goes, you will get financial relief for good. Getting paid monthly can put you on a back foot in many ways. So why get bothered concerning your stipends? You must figure out something that can produce million-dollar outcomes. As we are grooming with the fast-changing digital world, we should also switch ourselves to assemble our ways of income in the fastest way possible. As mentioned above, websites and applications are gaining attention to provide acceleration in giving people their daily earnings. Let's explore 5 of the best websites that can pay daily, working from home, without any experience required. If you are competent enough to write fast and well, no matter the content, stop squandering time, start freelance writing with positive intent, and express your hidden skills. However, it depends on the work you're being provided, several words, dealing with clients, and receiving payments, and you can earn more or less $100 per day. Therefore, you must enhance your writing skills daily to convince the websites that you possess a strong existing portfolio, so that clients can approach you without bothering about the experience. Nowadays, great websites provide freelance work to people who want to gain competency in this field. Without wasting any time, let's discuss some of the highly featured websites going across the globe in the freelance market. If you have a strong following in the freelance market, then you must be aware of Upwork. It's a website that is recommended all over the world for its fast and authentic services. It provides job opportunities in vast sectors to those who want to earn daily and enrich their lifestyle. Sectors offered by Upwork, such as software and web design, as well as graphic design, writing translation, engineering, and architecture. As per reports, it has proved to be the most likely website to search for a freelance job if you're just a beginner. The name suggests that it's a tailor-made website for freelancers. If you are interested enough to connect with global brands, we recommend you go through this website for good. They demand mature and experienced writers to contact them. So to get in touch with Contently, you must upload a portfolio as recommended for proficient writers who must have a few years of experience under their belt. This is another time-worthy place to search for freelance work, as it offers so many job opportunities for those who want to see their prospects in the freelance market. It also recommends all kinds of tech-related works and the best writing expertise required. This is a well-known website concerning freelancing jobs. Furthermore, it enables you to search for many writing and translation gigs as a bonus. If you're new to the Fiverr platform, it's essential to understand that it can be used as a place for you to sell your services. As a seller, you'll be able to list your services in the marketplace and earn money by completing tasks that users need. Sponsored post, also named promoted post. They are normally unambiguous. Companies and businesses primarily recommend you write good stuff about their services or products. In other words, it's your job to the advertisement you do on your page or blog to show the best side of a particular product or service, to educate them, and tell about your products and how you utilize them, so that they can also become the beneficiaries of that product or service too. One thing you should take care of is that a product you're bringing forward should be genuine, and you must have tried it out, because as soon as it creates negative thoughts in customers' minds about a certain product, from then on, it would badly damage the product's reputation and the person presenting it. A brand sponsor is an additional Instagram user frequently known as an influencer, who is also associated with creating posts that sometimes represent the brands. Sponsored posts are founded to be Facebook posts, Instagram posts, videos, infographics, paid articles, and much more. If you want to earn daily, this platform is the benchmark from which to start making your dreams come true, on condition that you're an expert in a certain occupation. You could earn it as your part-time profession from your daily income. It may take time to establish your brand online through your website platform. Once people believe you've got the ability and charisma to deliver the goods, they will rate you as a highly trustable personality and will approach you in no time. They ask you how you became proficient in that prospect and how they could seek those elements of success to enlarge their brand, business, and companies. Firstly, you might hesitate to give free advice, but as soon as they start looking for you in numbers, you will sense the need and start charging for your negotiations. Earning from your consultation is completely dependent on the niche you're in. Business coaches can make somewhere around $235 per hour. In addition, executive coaches make even more than $325 hourly. Life coaches, in particular, also earn good from this field, but not much compared to the ones mentioned above. It's a well-known website that lets customers take photos and creates videos linked with certain businesses and brands. In correspondence, you earn a reasonable amount depending on the quality of services you provide. London-based photographer Eval Shah is a passionate guy who loves to capture memorable and eye-catching moments. He is used to storytelling. Hire Eval and many other extraordinary composers are founded on Snapwire today. Alamy, 500 Packs, SmokeMug Pro, and Elsie are the platforms on which you can sell your creations, like photos or videos. In response to this, you earn a great amount of money daily. Fusion Cash is arguably the same as many other sites from which you get paid per click criteria. It comprises a typical method of earning by clicking on ads, links, etc. Therefore, it's just irrelevant by one means that you're being paid by installing the apps on mobile. One strange concept about this site is that it is only available to American residents. But nowadays, Pakistan, India, and Middle Eastern countries are also working on this project. Many websites have already ended up providing daily earnings to people. It also contains a referral system through which users can encourage other people to come and join this platform. And they get paid for it too. So all these projects are working hard to facilitate people with daily earnings, as it has a very fruitful domain of giving humankind something extra out of their 9-to-5 routine. In this case, they can manage their budgets without any resistance. Then, why not try this from day one? Companies all across the globe realize that employees get paid after a month can put them under so much pressure that once they end up with their basic salary running out before the month ends, they will have nothing to back up. Therefore, these websites providing users daily income are helping people increase their resources. So do you want to earn daily? Then get updated on these platforms mentioned above, allowing you to make a meal of your financial circumstances for a good cause.